Good day. I am Elmer Saire, the Executive Director of the Water Agroforestry Nutrition and Development Foundation, or ONE Foundation. We are located here in our base in Naawan Municipality in Misamis Oriental. Thank you very much, Charity Philippines, for your help in our projects on permaculture and food production for small-scale farmers. We support our farmers with seedlings like this, seeds, fertilizer, and technical support. Most importantly, these are some of the seedlings that will be distributed to farmers. We are supporting them because we find out that what is lacking with farmers is technical support as well as small farming input support. So again, thank you very much. We are able now to support more than 1,000 farmers with the help of the Charity Philippines. Thank you and have a good day.